Right mga ka-Glamhouse, dito tayo ngayon sa Taktak Alinaw. So napakadami ng persons dito, a lot of bikers, you know. So ayan, time check about 7:30. Sige, iputan natin sila. And now ang gagawin natin, kunan natin yung mga bikes nila. Pakita ko sa inyo, iba-ibang klase at iba-iba from, you know, lahat mamahalin at small, medium, large, you know. What I mean, iba-ibang presyo. Alright? Sige. At iba-iba, sobrang ganda na mga MTB, ano, gravel bike, road bike, at mountain bike. Alright? Ayun, no? So from here, ina natin. Diba? Here, one road bike. Also here, ayun si sir. Si sir, I think, paalis na. Nagre-ready na siya. Ayun. And from here, you see this Colnago here. Oh, about 400, 350 or more. This here naman, Specialized, nandito na, Giant, yun, no, iba-ibang brand. Most of here are road bikes, diba? Let's go to the other side. Diba? Ayan, no. There, oh, you see, most here kasi road, ano ba talaga, road bikes talaga. Here, oh. Ngayon, may naliligaw na mountain bike. That's mine. Oh, here, Colnago again. Tank again, Giant, ayan, no. Here, lahat yan road bike. See? And doon may mga mountain bike, that area there. See? This is in front of Agros Cafe there, no?